During my postgraduate with Multimedia University, I valued the research methodology and working on scientific papers, primarily on conferences. This is a life learning process that will be used in the industry, because this methodology is useful when you run your day-to-day work, and this research thinking or mindset can help you mold or structure a better way of thinking. This is a given question, and everyone knows science and technology are so dynamic and it changes perhaps 3 to 5 years, and this is extremely fast. For example, artificial intelligence, big data, cloud, and more. It is important that we upgrade ourselves through e-learnings, short courses, or perhaps self-study, as getting to know what technology are in trend for us to catch up. Both are equally important for the industry, so I view short courses at the breadth and postgraduate are the depth. Because when we see there is an important trend in IT, such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, big data, immediately we will engage into a short courses to understand the fundamental and how it can help us for the industry needs. Pursuing a postgraduate like a master's or doctorate is where we see a lack of expanding that fundamental towards the need or interest to work on the depth. So having said that, both are equally important depending on the needs. Well, it is important to realize what are the depth that you will go through on the research. Spend time reading articles, perhaps reach out to academicians or people with the similar interests that can help you. Importantly, to look out for the title, your research, and work on, especially on the problem statement. Your problem statement will be a game changer for your master's, for your doctorate, that may benefit the industry for further research, or you will encourage your next apprentice, perhaps scholar, to continue on your research. My personal belief, it is important to give back to the society and the university for your work when needed. Empowering minds, affordable finds.